Okay, so now I will explain how to do each one of these question. Okay, I hope you already watched my first video. Yeah, we will cover this one first. Okay, measurement and data review. We need to convert the metric measurement below. Okay, so all of this usually we call this metric. Using meter, that is metric. Using kilogram, that is metric. The other one, the one that the US use is imperial. Imperial using feet, yard, something like that, and ounce and pound. But I think metric is easier because there's only adding zero and yeah, minusing zero, only times by 10, 10, and so on, or divide by 10, 100, 1,000. Because when we are using imperial, that will be so hard. So luckily, we live in Indonesia, and luckily we have SI unit is metric. Can you imagine if we need to use yard, convert from yard to feet? So much hassle. Okay, so let's start. So first, at the first question, 7.2 kilometer, we need to convert to meter. To meter. I hope you already have this one, yeah. So I do not need to back and forth between these two. From kilo to meter, you need to going down. One, two, and three. You need to going down three times. So you need to times it with 1,000. Because you're going down thrice, you need to add 30. Because this is point 2, the first zero is to cancel the point. So after 1, it will become 72. And then you need to add to 0. So the result will be 7,200. Second, millimeter to centimeter. From milli to centi, it is going up. Again, I hope you already have your stair, yeah, in your notebook. So that will be very helpful. From milli to centimeter, it is going up once. So you need to divide by 10. Because you divide by 10, this is, you can put it like over 10, like this. You can make it simple by divide both of them by 5. So the 175 denominator will be 35 over 2. You can leave it as a fraction like this, or you can make it decimal. Okay, from 175 times by 10, it will be 17.5. Okay, because you are moving the decimal point from this one. So it will be 17.5. Again, if you have any question, please let me know by writing down all your question and ask me when we meet, or you can approach me directly from Google Chat. Okay, the third one, 9,325 centimeter, we're going to convert it into meter. Centimeter to meter, it is going up or down? Please answer. Yeah, pretend I up asking you. Yeah. Centimeter to meter, is it going? Yeah, correct. It is going up. How many times? Yes, it is going up twice. So you need to divide by 100. So I'm going to make it decimal. So the answer is 93.25 meter. Last one, meter to millimeter. Meter to millimeter, it is going down 3 times. Okay. After you answering some question, I believe you already get the hang of it. So you know it's going up or down, how many times. Meter to millimeter, it's going down 3 times. So you need to add 30. The first zero is to cancel the decimal. And after that, you just adding the zero. Okay. You can use it, use comma, you can use point. Both is correct. Okay. I will consider both is correct. But later on, if you are on IGCSE, please use dot here. Don't using comma because comma is 4,000, I think, in other country. Okay, so this part, you can leave it be, or if you want to try to answer it, please using the other picture as a reference. 1 gallon, that is four quarts, and 1 gallon, and can be considered 8 pints, and can be considered 16 cups. Yeah, okay. But we will leave it for now. Number two. So Faisal gathered data about the amount of ice cream his friends ate at his birthday party. Okay. Yeah. Two friends at one. Okay. You can answer is with two different approach here. The first approach, you can list all of it. So the first two friends at 1/4. I wait a minute. So the first two friends ate only 1/4. But because two friends, we write it twice. And then three friends add half. So half, and then half, and then half. One friend add 3/4 cups. The last one, Faisal had 1/2. Okay, so you can, yeah, adding all of it. You can group it to make it easier, like this, these three. I will write it down again. 1/4, 1/4, and 3/4, plus I have 4 half here. Then for this, because the denominator already the same, you can add it directly. 5. Where 5 come from? 1 plus 1 plus 3. Plus, this is, because the denominator already the same, it can be 4/2. Like this. You can make it decimal, or you can make the denominator same first. You can make it 5/4 plus 8/4. How come? By multiply 4 by 2 and 2 by 2. 4 times 2 will be 8. 2 times 2 will be 4. After this, we get 13/4 because the denominator already the same. You can leave it like this, or you can make it mixed fraction. 13 by 4, it is 3. Because 12 by 4, it is 3. 1 third. Or you can make it like this. 12 plus 1 per 4. 12 per 4 is 3, and the remainder will be 1. Oh, sorry, this is 4. Okay. Or you can use the one that I used before. Because I'm using this, it will be too long. I'm using this. So 2 of the friends eating 1/4. There will be 2/4. Or I can simplify it as half. 3 of the friend at half. So it will be 3/2. And then one friend at the 3/4. So it will be 3/4. And last one, Faisal had half. So it will be half. After that, we just sum it up. We sum half plus 3/2 plus 3/4 plus half. We do the same thing. Or you can make it all have the 4 as denominator. This will be 2. This will be 6. This will be still 3. And the last one will be 2. Sorry, I missed this one. Because all have 4 as denominator, we just sum it up. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 11. 11 plus 2, 13. So the result is the same. Okay. And then we continue to the area. It's lagging. Why are you lagging? Okay. Okay, so find the area of this you can make it two rectangle, yeah. So wait, this is 6 and this is 12. So I believe you'll find that this is 6. The first rectangle here, the area will be 11 times by 6. The other rectangle here, the area will be 6 times by 5. Let me repeat, 11 by 6. That is 66 centimeter square. This one, 6 by 5. So that will be 30 centimeter square. The sum will be 96 centimeter square. How about the volume? The volume will be length times by breadth times by height. Or you can call it width, it's also the same. That is 7 times by 2 times by 8. That is 15 times by 8. That is, wait a minute, I'm gonna move this first. Okay, so we have enough room. So it will be 2, 3, 112 feet cubic. Because there is all feet, so the unit will be feet cubic. Okay, I have 5 more minutes before my next class. Okay, I try to make it faster. First, Tony runs 100 meter in 5 seconds. Count the Tony speed. Formula of the speed is distance over time. So 100 meter over 5 seconds. So the answer will be 20 meter over second. Number 2, if a car with a speed, you have the speed, you have the time. The one it asks is the distance. The formula is distance over time, or you can make distance equal to speed times by time. So it will be 30 times by 20. And yeah, the result will be 600 meter. Number 3, how long will it take to cover distance? Okay, you have distance and you have speed. The formula is this one, right? So if you want to look for the time, you can make the formula into this, like this. Distance 300 by 20. So the result will be, you can cancel the 0. So 30 by 2 is 15 seconds. Or if you don't want to memorize this one or this one, you can just use one formula. The formula, wait, I'm gonna move it aside for a second. The formula still will be speed equals to distance over time. The speed is 20, the distance is 300. What we are looking for is the time, right? How to do this? I believe you already know how to do cross multiplication. It will be 20t equal to 300. And then how to get the t or the time? It will be 300 times by 20. It will be the same, right? Result is 15 seconds. Okay, number 4. The volume of a stone. Okay, we want to calculate the density. This is the symbol for density. Density formula is mass over volume. We have the mass, 2 kilograms, and we already have the volume. So this is 2 over 0.5, or you can write it 0.5 is equal to half, right? You can write it like 2 divided by half, or you can rotate it into 2 times by 2. You get the answer is 4 kilograms per meter cubic. Number 5. Okay, number 5, yeah, is half is my fault because I'm using liters. But for the test, no. You do not need to convert it. Okay, so for this, the volume is 2.5 liter. Once again, I will say In the test, you will not to convert from this into this. On the density, you need to convert some unit later on. Liter is equal to decimeter cubic. From decimeter cubic, you need to convert it into meter cubic. Decimeter to meter will going up once, but because it is cubic, you need to triple it. Sorry, uh, it will be divide by 1000. I will explain it more later on after this video, after this class. Yeah, I have class after this. Okay, you can make it, can leave it like this, it's good. Or you can make it decimal, 0.0025. Or you can make it like this, 25 over 10,000. Why? Because you times both by 10. 2.5 times 10 will be 25, and 10,000 times by 10 will be 10,000. And then after you have the volume, density is mass over volume. We are looking for the mass, so the mass will be density times by volume. The density is 1000. The volume is 25 over 10,000. You can cancel the 0. So I'm deleting 30 here. Also 30 here. The answer will be 2.5 kilograms. Okay, that's all of the video. Once again, if you have question, please let me know. You can chat me or you can list all of your question and I will answer it on Friday when we meet. Bye-bye.